Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What would you like today?
I would like a coffee.
Sure. Which coffee would you like?
I am not sure. There are so many names. I do not know the difference.
No problem. Many people ask the same question. I can explain.
Really? That would be great.
Let's start with espresso. Espresso is small. It is very strong. It has a rich flavor. It is the base for many other coffee drinks.
Oh, so it is small, but it is very strong.
Exactly.
I did not know that.
Next is Americano. An Americano starts with espresso. Then we add hot water. The taste becomes smoother. It is less strong than plain espresso.
So it has more water.
Yes. That makes it easier to drink.
I understand.
Now let's talk about cappuccino. It has espresso. It also has steamed milk. And a thick layer of milk foam. It feels light and creamy.
The foam is on the top.
That's right.
I always wondered about that.
Many people enjoy cappuccino in the morning.
Interesting.
Next is latte. A latte also starts with espresso, but it has much more steamed milk. Only a little foam goes on top. It tastes smooth, and it is very creamy.
So, a latte has more milk than a cappuccino?
Yes, that is the biggest difference.
Wow, I never knew that.
Finally, we have mocha. Mocha is made with espresso. It also has steamed milk. And chocolate. Some people add whipped cream.
Coffee and chocolate together?
Yes, it is sweet. And it is perfect if you enjoy chocolate.
Everything sounds delicious. I never realized coffee could be so different.
Coffee is a wonderful world. Every drink has its own taste.
I learned something new today.
I'm glad to hear that.
I think I will try a latte.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like sugar?
No, thank you.
Any extra flavor?
No. I want to taste the coffee.
Excellent choice. Your latte will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Hi, David. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thanks. What about you?
I'm great. Can I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
Which weather season do you like the most?
I love autumn. The weather is cool. The air feels fresh. I enjoy walking outside.
That sounds nice. I like spring the most.
Really? Why do you like spring?
Everything looks alive again. Flowers start to bloom, trees become green. The weather is warm, but it is not too hot.
I like that too. Spring has beautiful colors.
Do you have a favorite memory from autumn?
Yes. Last year, I visited a small village. The trees were full of orange and yellow leaves. I took many photos. It was peaceful.
That sounds wonderful. I would love to see that someday.
You should. It is worth the trip.
My favorite spring memory is different.
Tell me about it.
My family went to a park. We had a picnic. The weather was perfect. A gentle breeze was blowing. We stayed there all afternoon.
That must have been relaxing.
It really was.
What do you think about summer?
I enjoy summer vacations, but I do not like very hot days.
I feel the same. I sweat a lot in summer. I prefer cooler weather.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes. I usually go in the early morning. It is quieter then. The weather feels more comfortable.
That is a good idea. I usually stay indoors in the afternoon.
What about winter?
I like winter for a few weeks. I enjoy wearing warm clothes. I also love hot coffee.
Me too. A cup of coffee tastes even better in cold weather.
But very cold mornings are hard for me.
I understand. Getting out of bed is not easy.
Every season has something special.
I agree. Each season gives us different experiences.
That is true. We should enjoy every season.
Absolutely. Nature always has something beautiful to show us.
Hello, everyone. David and Imran are here. Today, they talk about their first international trip.
Hey, Imran. I finally got my passport. I still can't believe it. We're actually going abroad next month. Oh, that's exciting, David. Nice. Our first international trip is just around the corner. Tell me, have you applied for your visa yet?
Yes, I have. I submitted all the required documents last week. To be honest, I was quite nervous. The visa application process seemed difficult at first. I felt the same way. I was worried about missing some important documents. But fortunately, everything went smoothly.
I know what you mean. At first, getting a passport and a visa seemed overwhelming. There were so many things to do. But once I understood the process, it became much easier.
Exactly. The key is to prepare everything in advance and always double-check your documents. That can save you a lot of trouble.
By the way, I'm really looking forward to our flight. I've never traveled by air before. What about you?
Neither have I. This will be my first flight, too. I think it's going to be a memorable experience.
Were you nervous when you booked the tickets?
Absolutely. I spent several days comparing airfares. I wanted to find a good deal. Finally, I found a reasonably priced ticket.
I heard that checking in at the airport can be confusing. Is that true?
Really? We just need to arrive early. And we should keep our passport and boarding pass handy. Then everything should be fine.
I wonder what takeoff feels like. It must be exciting.
That's what people say. They say it's a thrilling experience. I'm also curious about the in-flight meals. And I want to see the entertainment system.
Me too. I hope I get a window seat. I'd love to look out the window. I want to admire the clouds and the scenery below.
Same here. I think we'll enjoy every moment. After all, it's our first flight. It will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience.